Sharp suits, corner offices, numbers, lots of them. Fancy executive lunches, Leonardo DiCaprio. Investing in the stock market has long cut a formidable and incredibly suave figure across our imaginations. So if you're a beginner looking to get a piece of the action, in this video I'm going to walk you through the 5 key steps to buying your first shares. Before you can get your Wolf of Wall Street on, you'll need to find a broker to buy and sell your shares. These days, most people use an online broker, share trading platform or app. But you can also go old school and use a traditional broker like Goldman Sachs or Morgan Stanley to do the trading for you. These brokers can come with hefty service fees, so unless you're planning to invest a lot of money, an online broker is likely to be your best option. There are loads of trading platforms out there, so visit finder.com/UK to help you compare. Links are in the description below. Choosing which platform or broker you will use will depend on your confidence as an investor, how much involvement you want to have, what fees you're willing to pay, and whether you plan to trade in anything else, such as exchange-traded funds. Sitting down and making a plan for your investments might not align with the sex appeal of trading stocks, but it's a vital part of the process. Buying shares carries lots of risks, so you need to ask yourself, how much can I afford to invest? How much can I afford to lose? How long can my money stay tied up in the stock market? And what will I do if prices start to rise or fall? Once you've nailed these down, you can start to think about which stocks best suit your plan. Generally, when starting out, it's best to keep things simple and invest in companies you understand. Sure, those elusive tech stocks look like a future billionaire investment, but do you actually understand how they make money? Make a list of the companies you fancy buying shares in and then take some time to monitor their performance. When you come back to reevaluate your potential stocks, think about whether you're happy with any price movements. Has any new information come out about the company? And are the stocks still within your price range? Plenty of people will try and tell you where to put your money, so trust your own research and guidance from qualified advisors. If you wouldn't trust your mate down the street to water your plants over the bank holiday, then why are you trusting them with your investments? Stock prices can range from as little as a penny to thousands of pounds. Once you're sure you have enough funds in your online share trading account, including a little extra to cover your brokerage fees, it's as easy as clicking Buy Now. There are 2 main order types you'll encounter. The first is a market order. Market orders are designed to be executed as quickly as possible to lock in your stocks at the current price you're viewing them at before the market fluctuates. Limit orders are where you set limit rates and price caps on stocks. A limit order will only go through when a stock you're interested in moves within your set price bracket or limit order. Congratulations, you're now the proud owner of some sweet little shares, but now what do you do? Well, you'll need to keep an eye on how your stocks are performing via your platform or broker. How often you do this will depend on your investment strategy. See, it's all in the planning. For example, if you have a long-term investment strategy, you may only check in and see how your shares are performing every month. If you have a medium-term strategy, it may be a good idea to check in each night or each week. If prices are looking peachy and you want to sell, the process is very similar to buying, just in reverse. You can choose to sell at market value or set limits to prompt you to sell at particular prices. Buying shares can be a great way to make money, but it doesn't come without risks. A rule of thumb is not to invest more than you can afford to lose. As always, you can find more detailed information on buying shares at finder.com/UK, links in the description below. Subscribe for more hot investing tips or check out our next video here. And as always, thanks for watching.